Hello teacher, and welcome to our demo video about our final project. And first, let's talk about the bank officers. So first, you have to log in, and they have their own password given to them by the bank. And here, this is the user interface of the banking officer. Here, this is the information of the officer. This is where they can do their actions. And here is their profile. And now let's try to create an account. And now after I have entered the information, let's create the account. And here the account is created. And here is where the officer can modify the system information. Here they can adjust the savings rate, and they can adjust the mortgage rate. And here, this is where the officer can see the customer's request and modify the data. There is nothing here yet, but we will get to it later. And now, let's see how to log in as a customer. And now all we have to do is log in. First, the bank app will ask to scan your ID. For this example, I have written the information out on a piece of paper as an example. So now let's click on scan ID. And here you can see I have a picture already here. And after the identity has verified, the system will ask you to scan your face because this is the first time you log in into the banking app. So let's do that. And here you can take the picture of yourself. And here, this is the customer's user interface. Here you can see this is the information. This is where they can do all the banking transactions. And this is all the utilities they can do. Their user profile looks like this, and they can modify the information. You can see there is also an option here, and if you click on it, you can request the officer so that you can change your name, or request so that you can update and resend your face ID. So let's do this one. And here you can see the request is submitted. And here on the officer's side, you can see the request here, and let's choose to deny. And here, this is where you can do the actions relating to your account type. And here I have make my account as a saving type. This is the functions that can be done here. And let's put on in some money. And you can see the history of a transaction here. And now let's see the banking transactions. And here you can see this is the information, and this is where we enter the information for the receiver receiving the money. And this is where we enter the information on how we are going to transfer the money. So let's try it out. And in this bank, this is our bank is named Lantan, and because this is the same bank, when we send the money to this account, in that account we will see that we will receive the money. And now let's try it. Here we must enter the password again. And now we also must scan our face again. And as you can see, after the transaction, the information about the money is changed. And as you can see in this account, the information about the money is changed. This is the money received when we previously transfer the money from the other account. And here is all the utilities that you can do. So let's choose one of them. I choose Louis. And as you can see, this will take you to the Galaxy Cinema website. And now let's check out the account types. So first I have a checking type account. In here, these are the functions. And here you can see the transaction history. And now let's try to withdraw some money. And there you go. And here, this is the saving type account. And you can see you can view the growth and rates. You can see the interest rates and the monthly profit. And you can also deposit and withdraw the money. And here, this is the mortgage type account. And as you can see, here's all the relevant functions, and you can pay the payment schedule. So let's say 10. And as you can see, the payment changed. And that is the end of our demo video. Thank you, teacher, for watching our demo video.